Hello everybody! Today I'm back with another one of my late grandmother's Thanksgiving casseroles. This one's called potato casserole. Let's go over there and take a look at the ingredients. Before we do, I've got the oven preheating at 350 degrees. Today I'm going to be making a half recipe. So I have 1 pound of O'Brien diced potatoes. If you don't like the onions and peppers and stuff like that, you can use the plain diced potatoes. They taste just as good. I've got 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. I've got a half a can of cream of chicken soup. I've got 1 cup of sour cream. And I've got a half a stick of butter divided. Half will be for the topping and half will go in the casserole. And then I have a cup of corn flakes kind of crushed up for the topping. Let's get started assembling this. I'm going to go first melt my butter in the microwave. Butter's melted. I'm going to dump the potatoes in the mixing bowl. I have let these thaw out a little bit. Seems to work better than using them frozen. Add my perfectly measured cup of cheddar cheese. And I'll go ahead and mix those together a little bit. Next up is the cream of chicken soup. And then the sour cream. Then I'll put the melted butter in there. And now I'm going to mix all that together real nice. So there's that. I've put some cooking spray in the bottom of a, what is this one, a 9x9, 21 by 21 by 5 centimeters. Since I'm making a half recipe. And then spread it out evenly. That should be just right. On the stovetop, I'm going to take my other part of the butter, and that's going to melt. And this could probably be done in the microwave. but I'm going to do it this way. I've got to get this butter melted where I can toss my cornflakes in the butter. There we go. It's melting out pretty fast now. Turn that down. Don't want it to brown. I'm going to dump my cornflakes in there. Again, a perfectly measured cup of them. Turn the heat off and then just coat the cornflakes in the butter. It's going to give them a real nice flavor. And if I didn't mention it before, I did turn the heat off. And now, top the casserole with the cornflakes. Then I'm going to go into the 350 oven for 30 minutes. And we'll come back when this is done. And we are done. And that looks perfect. Let's go ahead and plate up. I'm going to have some of that roast beef I had the other night. Oh yeah. That looks pretty good. It's time to give this a try. Try the casserole first. A little bit hot. But that is good. I might try one more bite just to make sure. Yep, that's it. So I'll go ahead and enjoy this off camera.